Welcome back to Nordic Arms and History. Today I'm happy to announce something new for the channel and to bring you an exciting update on Tyr, the gunboat turned mine layer that we covered in a video a little while ago. First off, I'm proud to officially announce that I've partnered with the KNM Narvik Foundation, the team leading the restoration of Tyr. This means that starting in 2026, we'll be working together to make a series of videos following the restoration of Tyr, with deep dives into both her technical history and the actual work being done to bring her back to life. These videos will be on top of my regular videos, so you'll be getting more content than before, so just a win-win in general. The restoration as well has gained a lot of momentum in Norway since my last video on Tyr actually. Several companies and private contributors have stepped up to support the effort, and the project has gotten a lot more steam than we had last time. A lot has also happened restoration-wise on Tyr since our last video, and the restoration is now really picking up some interesting speed. Right now, Tyr is at Bredalsholmen Shipyard and Preservation Center, where work is underway to make her temporarily watertight and seaworthy, and that is an important step because next spring she'll be moved to ONECO in Kristiansand, and this will also be a major milestone as once she arrives there, something really cool is going to be happening. The entire ferry superstructure, the one added when she became MF Bjørn Vest in the post-war years, will be completely removed. And this will expose her original deck and layout, and possibly even the original mounting point for her massive Krupp gun. It's a chance to really peel back the layers of history, and of course I'll be bringing all of you along for the ride. But it even gets better. 2 brand new steam engines and boilers are going to be built in England, with the goal of restoring Tyr's twin propeller steam configuration just like she had when she entered naval service in 1887. And in light of this, a Patreon has been created for the channel. The Patreon itself will be free to join. There you'll be able to see videos and content that I normally wouldn't put up on this channel, such as collection updates and such. Then, starting next year, I'll be introducing a paid tier which is specifically focused on Tyr, and this tier will include exclusive content from the project, such as live streams from Tyr and the ability to ask questions to the people directly behind the project. And that's it for now on this quick update on Tyr, but there's a lot more to come as this restoration continues. If you've got thoughts, questions, or ideas of what you'd like to see in future episodes, drop a comment down below. Of course, I like to read all comments. And if you feel like this video deserves it, leave it a like. And as always, if you want to learn more about Nordic arms and history, consider subscribing. Until the next one, take care. Bye bye.